Well, today we are going to solve a problem based on trigonometric identities, and here we have the question: if sine theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1, then we have to prove that cos to the power 12 theta plus 3 cos to the power 10 theta plus 3 cos to the power 8 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta plus 2 cos to the power 4 theta plus 2 cos square theta is equal to 3. So the question is appearing quite horrible, but the solution will be very small. Let's see, let's check out. So let's begin with the given portion. We are given that sine theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. Now we all know the first trigonometric identity is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So I'm going to replace this one with sine square theta plus cos square theta. Let's write it again. The left hand side will remain as it is. Sine theta plus sine square theta equal to, now 1 I'm replacing with sine square theta plus cos square theta. Now you can see this is an equation formed, and sine square theta gets cancelled with sine square theta. So now we are left with sine theta is equal to cos square theta. This is one relation we have got. Now if I'm going to square both the sides of this equation, I'm squaring both the sides. So sine square theta is equal to square of cos square theta will be cos to the power 4 theta. Now let's begin with the left hand side of the question. Here we have cos to the power 12 theta. I'm writing it as it is. This is the left hand side which we have to prove equal to 3. So cos to the power 12 theta. Then I'm taking this cos 6 theta with this first, as we know addition is commutative, so we can rearrange it. Associative property can also be used. Now I am taking these 3 cos to the power 10 theta plus 3 cos to the power 8 theta together, and now I am writing this 2 cos to the power 4 theta, this one, plus 2 cos square theta. Now cos to the power 12 theta we are going to break like this. We know 12 is equal to 4 into 3. So using the law of exponent, I can write it like this. 4 3s are 12. Here I will write cos square theta to the power 3, because 2 3s are 6. I can write it, right? Now I can write like this. Here cos 4 theta cos square theta, I'm taking common. That makes cos to the power 6 theta. 3 cos to the power 6 theta, I'm taking common. Now since this is power is 10 here we have taken out 6 common, so here it will be left cos 4 theta. That makes 10. Then we have 3 is already out, and the power is 8 here, so 6 is out. So cos square theta will remain inside the bracket. Is it right? Now here we take out 2 common. Cos 4 theta is equal to sine square theta. Can I write it? Okay, we'll write it in the next step. Cos 4 theta plus cos square theta. Is it fine? Now if we look to these terms from here to here, we can see this is the formula for a cube plus b cube. As you all know that a plus b whole cube. We know that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. Inside the bracket we have a plus b. Isn't it resembling this? Yeah, we can replace a with cos to the power 4 theta, and we can replace b with cos square theta, and we are going to get the same thing. So here this whole thing squeezes to cos to the power 4 theta plus cos square theta ka whole cube. Is it right? You can compare. In place of a we have cos to the power 4 theta. In place of b we have cos square theta. Then we have 3ab. A is cos to the power 4 theta. B is cos square theta. Let's write here a is equal to cos to the power 4 theta, and B is equal to cos square theta. Now I can write it like this. Now what I'll do, now I'm left with this, I'm writing 2. Now from here we can see that cos to the power 4 theta is equal to sine square theta. So I'm replacing this cos to the power 4 theta with sine square theta. Is it fine? Now this will remain as it is. Now since we know cos square theta plus sine square theta, or I can say sine square theta plus cos square theta, the very first identity is equal to 1. So I'm going to replace this with 1 in the next step. So here, okay, here again, as you are seeing, cos to the power 4 theta is equal to sine square theta. So I'm going to replace this. Cos 4 theta is equal to sine square theta. So I'm writing sine square theta plus cos square theta to the power 3 plus 2. This sine square theta plus cos square theta, we know the value is 1. So I can write it as 2 into 1. This is again equal to 1. So 1 cube plus 2 is equal to 1 cube is 1 only, plus 2 is equal to 3, which is equal to our right hand side. Hence proved.